Hi everyone, it's Andrea Vall, co-author of Facebook Marketing All-in-One for Dummies, and I'm in the beautiful Dillon, Colorado. Just wanted to make a quick video about a question that comes up around the Facebook Pixel Helper. What is it and do you need it? Basically, this is just a Chrome extension, so the Chrome browser that you would use has extensions, and it's just a little sort of plug-in that goes in to Chrome so that you can see if the Facebook Pixel is installed and working properly on your site. So you don't really need the Chrome Pixel Helper unless you're having some issues that you want to troubleshoot, or you want to make sure that the pixels or standard events for pixels are properly installed. It's really helpful because you can really see if the pixel is firing properly, if the correct pixel is installed on your site. Sometimes multiple pixels get installed on sites, and it can be a problem and mess up the tracking. So that is one of the big reasons, just to troubleshoot, but also make sure it's there and working properly. All right, hope that was helpful, and talk to you again soon.